Hey guys, today I have swatches of the Lights Lacquer Dream a Little Dream Quad. I will link the Lights Lacquer website down below. I also have an affiliate code with Lights Lacquer, which will be up here and in the description box. 4 polishes altogether, and I will get into the swatches.
The first polish is called Head in the Clouds, and this is just described as a milky white. So this is a white jelly, which always makes me nervous because they are so hard to do well. They always seem to have issues with patchiness and streaks, and this was really no different for me. I wanted to point out that I feel like a lot of the swatches that I see from this brand and other brands tend to be, like on their Instagram and stuff, tend to be over gel overlays or gel extensions, and any polish is going to go on much smoother and much less streaky on an overlay or an extension than they are on the natural nail. So I think that's something to really be aware of when you're shopping around and looking for polishes. That's a fantastic benefit of a gel overlay or gel extensions, but your experience is not going to be the same if you're putting the polish over a natural nail. This was still a little bit patchy for me on the second coat, so I did add a third, which did cover almost completely and applied it fairly evenly. I flooded my cuticle like 5 times when I was doing this. I mentioned a couple of videos back that I filmed a lot of swatches during a very off day, so you'll have to bear with a lot of cuticle flooding. So that is 3 coats of Head in the Clouds. The next polish is called La La Land, and this is described as a clear jelly base with large, colorful, iridescent flakies. This one also scared me a little bit at first because chunky, iridescent, flaky polishes can also be tough. They can be really thick and gummy. I've had that happen several times. This was not like that. It went on pretty well. I'm showing this over black and white so you can really see the shift in the flakies. Now, these flakies are big, and they are not a flaky that wants to cooperate. Iridescent flakies are just generally like that. That's not a knock on the polish. That's just kind of how iridescent flakies are when they get chunky. So you have to move them around a little bit to get them where you want them, and they are going to stick up quite a bit. You can kind of see the chunkiness on that black nail. So you'll definitely want a good top coat to smooth these out completely. I did also add a matte top coat, which really showcased the unevenness and chunkiness on that black nail. But again, that's just kind of how iridescent flakies are. You need a good top coat to smooth everything out. So that is 1 coat of La La Land. The next polish is called I'll Be Seeing You, and this is described as a transparent pinky nude with a blue shift and gold glitter flecks. I showed this one a couple of different ways. I really, really like this. I love those little gold flakies in there. They are so delicate and pretty and ethereal, which I guess is exactly what they were going for. It's very sheer, definitely more suited as a topper. I showed it here over white, which I really, really like. That's my favorite way to wear it. I also started to swatch it on its own and realized very quickly that it was very sheer and not going to build up because there's really no significant color from the base. So I gave up after 2 coats on its own because I just didn't think it was worth the time. And then I also wanted to show it over black. You lose the gold flakies over the black, but the blue shimmer, which is just kind of a subtle blue flash over the white, becomes very, very strong over black. So that is 1 coat of I'll Be Seeing You. And the last polish is called Earth Angel, and this is described as a metallic, cool-toned gold. This is a really nice pale gold foil metallic. When I say foil, I mean that it's a little bit more sparkly than it is chrome, so you don't have a really reflective chrome mirror finish. It's a little bit more broken up. You also don't have the brush strokes that you tend to get in more reflective chrome polishes. So really good formula on this one, and it covered easily for me in 2 coats. So that is 2 coats of Earth Angel.
So these were sent in PR, but at the time that I'm filming this video, 2 of this quad have already sold out, and like, I thought I was doing a really good job getting this video up really quickly. Mine did come a little late, but unfortunately these 2 are already gone, and according to the website they're not going to be restocked. Fingers crossed they will, because like sometimes that's not always the case, but I'll Be Seeing You and Earth Angel I believe are gone at the moment. I'll Be Seeing You is my favorite. I really like those gold flakies in that topper. I think this is a really versatile polish. So unfortunately some of these did go really fast. Like I said, I'm kind of hoping that maybe they'll add some more later, even though they say they're not going to. I don't know, you never know. But that is the Lights Lacquer Dream a Little Dream Quad. Again, I will link the Lights Lacquer website down below where you can check some of these out. And I also have an affiliate code / coupon code with Lights Lacquer, which I will have up here and in the description box. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later. Bye.